Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, when did these fine lines appear? What if I told you there's a 100% natural, age-defying secret hidden right in your kitchen? Stay with me till the end, because this simple clove remedy could make your skin glow like you're 10 years younger, and hardly anyone knows about it. Let's start with something small but mighty, cloves. These tiny spice buds aren't just for flavoring food, they're loaded with eugenol, a natural compound that fights off free radicals, those sneaky molecules that age your skin faster than time itself. Eugenol helps your skin protect its collagen, the magic protein that keeps your face smooth, lifted, and youthful. And the best part? Clove oil hydrates deeply, giving your skin that plump, fresh look we all love. Now, we're going to pair cloves with something women across Asia have trusted for centuries: rice. Rice is packed with skin-loving vitamins and amino acids that brighten, tighten, and smooth the skin. Ever noticed how Japanese women have that timeless glow? Their secret lies in rice water. It tones, it firms, and it gives your skin that flawless porcelain finish. So here's what you'll do. Take 1 teaspoon of cloves and 2 teaspoons of rice and grind them together in a mortar and pestle. Don't make it too fine. You want a little texture. Now pour everything into a small saucepan and add 1 cup of water. Let it simmer gently for about 10 to 12 minutes on low heat. As it cooks, the powerful essence of rice and clove blends into the water, creating what I call a youth elixir. This potion helps reduce fine lines, tighten sagging skin, and bring back that natural glow we lose over time. But hold on, before we go further, here's something important. Always do a patch test first. Natural doesn't always mean suitable for every skin type. Once your potion reduces to half a cup, strain it through a cotton cloth. Don't throw away the leftover mixture, because that's the secret to the next remedy I'll share later. What you have now is liquid gold, a powerful natural toner that tightens pores, prevents dryness, and gives your skin an instant refresh. Let it cool down, then mix it with 1 cup of rose water. Rose water adds a soothing, hydrating touch. It balances your skin's pH and fights redness and wrinkles too. Transfer this into a spray bottle, and just like that, you've made your own anti-aging toner. Use it morning and night for radiant, firm skin. But don't go anywhere. The real transformation happens in the next step. Remember that leftover clove and rice mix? That's where the magic intensifies. Add it to a blender, then toss in 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, nature's skin-tightening powerhouse. Flax seeds are full of omega-3s and antioxidants that boost elasticity and smooth fine lines. Add a bit of your clove rice toner, or just plain water, and blend it into a creamy paste. Now this part feels like a mini luxury facial at home. Pour the mixture into a clean bowl and add 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, the ultimate skin soother that heals, hydrates, and fades dark spots. Then add 2 teaspoons of almond oil, rich in vitamin E. It nourishes deep within, keeping your skin supple and glowing. Mix everything until you get a smooth, creamy texture that smells divine. Now apply this mask gently over your face and neck. Massage in soft circular motions. You can almost feel your skin drinking in the nutrients. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, relax, then rinse it off with plain water. Finish by spraying your toner. And when you see your reflection, trust me, you'll notice the difference. Your skin feels smoother, your glow comes back, and those fine lines fading fast. Here's the best part. You don't need expensive creams or painful treatments. Mother Nature already gave us what we need to stay youthful. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll see visible results within days. Store it in a clean jar, keep it in the fridge. It stays fresh for up to 7 days. If you've made it this far, you're 1 step closer to ageless, glowing skin. Let me know in the comments what country you're watching from. I love knowing where my beautiful viewers are joining me from. And if you want more powerful home remedies like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned. Because next, I'm revealing an ancient beauty secret that tightens skin instantly.